Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gluten-free, no-bake cheesecake, which is sugar-free, low-carb, keto-friendly, and just so easy to make. And as always, I've written a full blog post, which I'll leave down below, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions for making this beautiful cheesecake. Just look at it. It's lovely and creamy and just such a wonderful low-carb, keto, gluten-free sweet treat, which is perfect for whether it's the middle of summer, it's the middle of winter here in Ireland, so I'm just dreaming of summer. If it's the middle of summer and you don't feel like heating up your kitchen, or leading up to Christmas time and you just want a sweet treat without having to bake and you just need to keep your oven free, this is perfect to make ahead, keep in the fridge and have as a lovely sweet treat. So let me get straight into it. I'm going to start by making the base. We're going to melt a bit of butter, and I found these chopped nuts at my supermarket, so I'm just going to use chopped nuts. You can use ground almonds or almond flour. We're going to use 150 grams, or you could just use whole nuts that you chop yourself. You could use any nuts you like. These are almonds, and this is a mix of almonds, of cashews, almonds and walnuts. So it's just going to be a nice mixed nutty base for our cheesecake. But I'm going to start by melting 75 grams of butter, and then we'll mix it through with the nuts. So I've got the butter in my saucepan over medium heat and just going to melt it. It's only taken a couple of minutes and the butter has almost melted. Last bits of butter are melting, so I'm just going to turn off the heat and we'll pour it over the nuts. So I've got all the chopped nuts in a bowl, and I'm just going to pour the butter over and just give it a mix so they all get coated in the butter. So I've lined a square baking dish and I'll pop the nuts and butter in and then just flatten it down to make our base. It's quite a rustic base with the nuts like this. You can feel free, if you want it finer, to use ground almonds or almond meal, as I say them instead, but I quite like it like this. It just makes it nice and nutty. My tin is actually about 9-inch square, 22 centimeters, so it just really depends on the size. You can make it in a round tin instead if you want, but obviously the bigger the size, the flatter the cheesecake will be. Okay, nice and flat now, so I'm going to pop it into the fridge to set for a little bit, and then we'll make our filling. So it's time to make the filling. I am going to whip up some cream and then whisk in some cream cheese. I've got 2 packages. This is from Aldi. It's all budget friendly. I've got 2 packages of cream cheese, and I'm going to use stevia to sweeten, and we're going to make it lovely and lemon flavored with a fresh lemon over there. We're going to start by whisking a cup of cream. Now use whatever cream you can, which you can whisk up into fluffy white whipped cream. I'm using just fresh cream, which is what we get here in Ireland, which you can whip up, but if you could use double heavy whipping, any cream that you like, as long as you can make it into whipped cream, you're good. So I'm just going to whip the cream until we have whipped cream. Nice and soft whipped cream. So now we're going to add in the cream cheese and whisk that in too. Okay, all the cream cheese is in. Now we'll just whisk until it's nice and creamy. That is beautiful. Now it is up to you how you want to balance your lemon and your sweetener. If you want to use all the rind, all the juice, and then just add sweetener until it is sweet to your liking, it is up to you. I'm going to go for the whole lemon rind and juice. We love it extra lemony here. So I'm just going to use microplane grater and grate all of the lemon rind over. Smells already nice and lemony. Let's get all that lovely lemon rind in, and now we'll add in the juice. And just squeeze the juice in over a sieve to catch any pips. It's up to you if you want to do half of the lemon, the whole lemon. I want mine really lemony, so we're going to do the whole lemon. And then we'll just add in stevia and we'll give it a final whisk. Yeah, do a third to half a cup. Start with a third of a cup. We're going to mix it all in, taste if it's sweet enough. If not, add more. So we'll just whisk it all together now. Okay, so just giving it a quick taste to be sure that it's sweet enough. So, it's perfect. It's really lemony, just how we like it. Definitely add more sweetness if you want, but now we'll just pop it over the base. So we'll just move the cream cheese mixture out, and we've got our base back, which is hardened. We'll just pop the cream cheese filling on top. Oh, that looks amazing. You could actually just make this filling and have it as a mousse. It makes a beautiful lemon mousse. Absolutely beautiful lemon cheesecakey mousse. But we're turning it into cheesecake today. So we'll just flatten it all down and make it nice and even. Okay, I'm happy with that. And so now I'll go in the fridge. It needs to go in for at least a few hours, or make it the day before so it has overnight to set. And I'll show you once it's hardened and we've got our lovely no-bake cheesecake. Okay, my cheesecake's been in the fridge a few hours, and I'll pop it out onto a plate now. Oh, you can see it's beautiful. So I've moved it onto a plate, and you can see beautifully the layers. It kind of looks like Rice Krispies, doesn't it? But it's not. It's nuts. You saw they're definitely nuts there, and a beautiful layer of cheesecake. And I'm just going to cut a piece out of it now. There you go. I've cut a beautiful piece of cheesecake out of it, and you can see it's lovely and thick and creamy and just perfect cheesecake. That's gluten-free, that's low-carb, keto, sugar-free, everything. It's just wonderful for whether you just don't feel like baking a cheesecake, but you want a cheesecake, and it's just so perfect. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this cheesecake a try and what you think of it, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which will have the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too for how to make this lovely cheesecake. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.